Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ardani. Student ID number 20 30 60 5002 will convey an explanation regarding the condition of the transportation sector during the COVID-19 pandemic. Condition in the transportation sector during the COVID-19 pandemic. The government is working to restore the transportation sector, which has been under pressure amid the COVID-19 pandemic. This was campaigned by the Minister of Transportation, Menhub Budi Karya Sumadi, when giving a keynote speech at a virtual discussion event Public Transportation and the economics boom during the pandemics in Jakarta Wednesday. On that occasion, Budi Karya also updated the condition of the transportation sector during the COVID-19 pandemics. Here the condition. The first, air transportation had collapsed. In the global air transportation sector, the COVID-19 pandemic has been severely affected, including Indonesia, where the number of aircraft passengers decreased sharply since the first quarter of 2020. Then in July 2020, the performance began to increase, with aircraft movement increasing by 42%. Increase was realized after a number of joint efforts between aviation stakeholders and also with related parties such as the Ministry of Health and task force such as increasing the maximum capacity of aircraft passengers to 70%, extending the validity period of the rapid test PCR test from 3 days to 40 days, filling held the online alert card and others. Number 2, KRL is the most popular. In urban transportation such as KRL Jabodetabek, passenger interest remain high even though transportation control through the implementation of health protocol has been implemented, such as limiting the maximum capacity of passenger is one cars and so on. Number 3, provision of alternative fleets. A number of efforts were made to provide alternative fleet other than KRL, such as buses, and effort to enforce working hours that do not coincide between one company and another in order to reduce congestion. Budi Karya added that the government continues to carry out transportation control by prioritizing the application of health protocols on transportation facilities and infrastructure during the adoption period for new habits. On the one hand, the Ministry of Transportation strives to make the transportation industry recovery, while on the other hand, the Ministry of Transportation is also trying to rebuild public confidence in safe and healthy transportation. The effort and breakthrough made are enough to rely solely on the central government, but it's need good collaboration between ministers, agencies, local government, business sector, and academics, the media, and the community, said Budi Karya Sumadi. Thank you. Good afternoon.